special marine warning for coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Marineland, or 9 nautical miles northwest of Palm Coast, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Beverly Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, Palm Coast, and Crescent Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. The